Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our newsletter, like this essay, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us reach more aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Ready? Let's go. The power of communication in leadership. Communication is the lifeblood of successful leadership. It is the foundation upon which relationships are built and maintained. It's the vehicle for sharing vision, inspiring action, and building trust. Through clear communication, leaders can articulate their goals and expectations effectively. Effective leaders understand that communication is not just about speaking, but also about actively listening and fostering open dialogue. They create an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. When leaders communicate effectively, they create a culture of transparency and collaboration. This openness encourages team members to share their ideas and feedback freely. This leads to increased employee engagement, higher productivity, and a more positive work environment. Employees feel more connected to their work and motivated to contribute. On the other hand, poor communication can result in misunderstandings, conflicts, and decreased morale. Miscommunication can create barriers and hinder progress. Leaders who prioritize communication invest in their team's success. They take the time to mentor and coach their team members, ensuring everyone is on the same page. They understand that clear, concise, and empathetic communication is essential for achieving shared goals. This clarity helps in aligning the team's efforts towards common objectives. By mastering the art of communication, leaders can unlock the full potential of their teams and organizations. They can inspire enthusiasm and foster a sense of unity. It is not just about what you say, but how you say it. The tone, body language, and timing all play crucial roles in effective communication. Mastering the art of active listening. Effective communication is a two-way street where both parties are equally engaged. It requires both speaking and listening, with an emphasis on understanding. Active listening is a critical skill for leaders, as it allows them to truly understand the perspectives of others, fostering a more inclusive environment. When you actively listen, you are fully present in the conversation, showing genuine interest. You pay attention to both the verbal and nonverbal cues of the speaker, such as tone, facial expressions, and gestures. You ask clarifying questions to ensure understanding and demonstrate empathy by acknowledging their feelings and concerns. Active listening builds stronger relationships, fosters trust, and helps to resolve conflicts more effectively. By truly hearing what others have to say, leaders can make more informed decisions and create a more inclusive and collaborative work environment where everyone feels valued. Practice active listening. It is a skill that takes time and effort to develop, but the rewards are well worth it. Clarity. The foundation of effective communication. Clarity is paramount when it comes to effective communication. When leaders communicate clearly, they leave no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. This is essential for ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. To communicate clearly, use concise language, avoid jargon, and be specific in your requests and expectations. Break down complex information into smaller, more digestible chunks. Use visuals such as charts or diagrams to illustrate your points. Remember to consider your audience and tailor your communication style accordingly. Regularly check for understanding and be open to questions. Clear communication builds alignment and drives results. The unspoken language of leadership. Nonverbal cues. Communication extends beyond words. Nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice play a significant role in how our messages are perceived. Leaders who are aware of their nonverbal communication are better able to convey confidence, empathy, and authenticity. Maintain eye contact, use open and inviting body language, and be mindful of your tone of voice. Pay attention to the nonverbal cues of others as well. This can provide valuable insights into their thoughts and feelings. By mastering the art of nonverbal communication, leaders can strengthen their relationships and enhance their overall impact. Actions speak louder than words, especially in leadership. Section 5. Leading with empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It is an essential quality for leaders who want to create a positive and supportive work environment. Emotionally intelligent leaders are able to recognize and manage their own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. They are skilled at building rapport, resolving conflict, and inspiring their teams. Practice empathy by actively listening, seeking to understand different perspectives, and responding with compassion and understanding. When leaders lead with empathy, they create a more human and connected workplace. Lead with your heart as well as your head. Section 6. Adapting your communication style for success. Effective leaders understand that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to communication. They are adaptable and adjust their communication style based on the individual or group they are interacting with. Consider the personality, communication preferences, and cultural background of your audience. Some individuals may prefer direct and concise communication, while others may respond better to a more collaborative and relationship-oriented approach. By taking the time to understand the communication styles of others, leaders can build stronger relationships, avoid misunderstandings, and ensure that their message is received as intended. Flexibility in communication is a sign of a strong leader. Section 7. The art of giving and receiving feedback. Feedback is an essential part of growth and development, both for individuals and organizations. Effective leaders create a culture of feedback, where it is given and received openly and constructively. When giving feedback, be specific, focus on behaviors rather than personalities, and provide actionable suggestions for improvement. Be timely, respectful, and balance constructive criticism with positive reinforcement. Receiving feedback can be challenging, but it is an opportunity for growth. Listen attentively, ask clarifying questions, and be open to different perspectives. Use feedback as a tool for continuous improvement. Feedback is a gift, embrace it. Section 8. Navigating conflict through effective communication. Conflict is a natural part of any workplace, arising from differences in opinions, goals, or values. However, when handled poorly, it can be detrimental to team morale and productivity, leading to a toxic work environment. Effective leaders view conflict as an opportunity for growth and use communication to navigate it constructively, turning challenges into learning experiences. When addressing conflict, approach the situation with a calm and respectful demeanor, ensuring that emotions are kept in check. Listen actively to all parties involved, giving each person the chance to voice their concerns and perspectives. Seek to understand the root cause of the conflict, delving deeper into underlying issues rather than just surface-level disagreements. Work collaboratively to find a mutually acceptable solution, fostering a sense of teamwork and cooperation. Focus on shared interests and common goals, which can help bridge differences and unite the team. Encourage open dialogue and create a safe space for individuals to express their perspectives without fear of judgment or retaliation. By mastering the art of conflict resolution, leaders can create a more harmonious and productive work environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Conflict, when handled well, can lead to innovation and growth, driving the team towards greater success and collaboration. Section 9. The power of storytelling in leadership. Storytelling is a powerful tool for leaders. Stories have the ability to capture attention, evoke emotions, and inspire action. They make messages more memorable, relatable, and persuasive. Use stories to communicate your vision, share your values, and connect with your team on a personal level. Share stories of success, failure, and lessons learned. Authenticity is key when it comes to storytelling. When you share your own experiences, you become more relatable and build stronger connections with your team. Stories have the power to transform ordinary leaders into inspiring ones. Stories are the bridge between the head and the heart. Section 10. Building trust through open and honest communication. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship, both personal and professional. Leaders who communicate openly and honestly create a culture of trust within their teams. Be transparent in your communication, sharing both good and bad news in a timely manner. Admit when you don't have all the answers, and be open to feedback and suggestions from your team. Follow through on your commitments, and hold yourself and others accountable. Trust is built over time through consistent actions that demonstrate integrity, respect, and reliability. Trust is earned, not given. Section 11. Leading with presence and confidence. Leadership presence is about commanding attention, inspiring confidence, and making a lasting impression. It's about owning the room, whether it's a physical room or a virtual meeting. Project confidence through your body language, tone of voice, and eye contact. Speak with conviction, be passionate about your message, and believe in your ability to lead. Be authentic to yourself and your values. People are drawn to leaders who are genuine and relatable. Remember, leadership presence is not about being someone you're not, but about being the best version of yourself. Believe in yourself, and others will believe in you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like, and share.